Hey guys, so everyone knows I get excited when we announce a new VIP. Guys, this is a really exciting one. This is one of the top ranked doubles players in the world, Olympic silver medalist, Rajeev Ram. Rajeev is a local Indiana guy that went to Carmel High School. We're going to do his multi-unit hair grafting procedure this coming Sunday. We're so excited. We're going to meet the man himself, listen to his story a little bit, learn some of his achievements. Let's go meet him.
My name is Rajeev Ram. I'm from Carmel, Indiana. I'm a professional tennis player. Been on tour since 2004, so the better part of 15 years now. It's an honor to represent my country in any facet. So to be at the Olympics, first of all, was a great thing for me. Then to obviously, be in a position to win a gold medal was icing on the cake. Didn't quite do it, was really close, but something I'm going to look back on forever, just to cherish that experience. Tennis probably became a real important part of my life and my future maybe at 16, 17 years old, which I really enjoyed it as a kid, and I think that's probably what has kept me going at this point as far as with my motivation and all that. When I was a kid, I used to have a lot of hair. It used to be pretty thick. And right around the time I was maybe 18, 19, definitely 20 years old, I started to notice it thinning. Just you get a haircut, oh, there just doesn't seem to be as much there as before. And then, by the time I was 23, 24, I definitely knew, I was losing my hair. And in the last few years, it's been significantly more noticeable. You definitely get conscious about it, I think. I can't say that it really affected me hugely, but I noticed it, which is kind of what led me to investigate some different ideas as to what I could do about it. When we win or final tournament, obviously end of a good week, you go and you have a trophy presentation and they have you take your hat off. And for me, I'm not gonna say it's a bittersweet moment, it's definitely a sweet moment to be in that position, but it's a self-conscious moment for sure, because there's usually a lot of people there and I gotta take my hat off and I play with a hat on so nobody sees me like that. So I think those minor little areas where I can sort of not have that self-consciousness is something I'm really looking forward to. It's not something that either one of us says is life or death, but she wants me to also feel comfortable in those moments, not feel self-conscious. And sometimes that feeling can take away from some of the best moments you have. Probably got serious about this procedure in the last 2 or 3 years. There's been a few players on tour, guys that I played with that had it done. I actually remember a conversation I had at the end of 2018. I sat down with one of the guys who's a good friend of mine. He said, hey, it's not anything to worry about. It's quite easy and it makes you feel great. That really gave me some reassurance that it's something I would want to do. And then looking around for a group to do it was the next part of it. We Grow Hair Indy was a real natural choice for me. First of all, it's a great company. They have experience in all the different methods of hair transplant. For me, it's going to be the multi-unit hair grafting procedure. Secondly, like I said, it's close to home, and that makes me feel really comfortable too. But I know I have a lot of hair loss. I'm not expecting to have the same amount of hair I did when I was 14 years old. But it would be great to look in the mirror and have a hairline that'll frame my face a little bit more, and just give me a little bit more peace of mind and self-confidence in certain situations.